composition matters. Yeah, when it comes to visual storytelling, composition matters. I want to show you guys two scenes developing two different characters, but in the same location from the Severance show. These two scenes came out of this week's episode, and I think it's really, really masterful the way they position the camera, the talents of the characters. So here are our two characters right here. We have Seth and we have Helena. The first thing we see here are these two individuals right here. Now they're sitting on that side of the building, on the window side of the room actually, and the camera is from this angle right here on the right side, maybe right corner of the room. The producer, the director, the DP, they really like the use of negative space like this on the left right here. They usually like to just put all their characters somewhere on the side of the frame. And the negative space is to increase that weirdness, that awkwardness that the show, the concept is talking about, because it's about severing part of you, the part of you that works at the company, the part of you that lives your everyday life. Severed, totally, two different people. It's a static shot, so it's a wide angle establishing this scene right here, and as soon as she sits down, it's still a wide angle lens, but she is sitting there right in the middle of the frame on the wall side of the room. She's actually the daughter of the owner of the company, the entire big company. It's a global company, and she is gonna be the future CEO. These two people right here are upper management. They are very close to the board. Actually, the board only speak through this lady right here. And this guy right here is the enforcer, someone who keeps people in line. So this conversation right here is a little bit weird, but still it's established by this composition that she is someone important. There is just this time where she is put actually on the far left of the frame, and this is the way the director, the DP shows the fact that she's uncomfortable in this conversation, because she's been asked to go down and hang out with the employees on the severed floor. Now she's afraid, because the last time she did that, she almost got killed multiple times. Herself wanted to commit suicide, and then last episode where she was pretending to be one of them, the employee tried to kill her, so she's uncomfortable. And to show that discomfort, they put her on the far left side. It looks more natural to position her on this side, but because of the unnatural part of this scene, the discomfort that she feels in this scene, they decided to do this. That's composition. That's the power of composition in visual storytelling. Let's look at the other scene, and it's the same room, of course, but for this character, there is no guessing. It's not a briefing. It's not just a simple meeting. It's a performance review meeting. So here we go. Look at Seth. Where is he sitting? He is sitting on the window side of the table. For me, with these new ones, the creator of the show wants us to think that everyone sitting on that side of the room are subordinates to the ones sitting on the side of the wall, on the wall side of the room. If you look at where he's positioned in the frame, and this is consistent in this scene right here, the entire scene, he's never put in the middle of the frame. He's a floor manager. He was just recently promoted to be a floor manager, but he's not upper management. He's a subordinate. If you watch this scene, he continues, he tries to talk, he tries to kind of respond to some of the feedbacks, and they stop him like, hey, you don't talk, you can talk later. The people on the wall side of the table really want to show that, hey, even though you just got promoted, you are still an employee and we can still fire you. He is not happy about this meeting. Now, the two characters right here, the spokesperson and the enforcer, there is still distance between them. You can see how uncomfortable the spokesperson is, because the creator of the show also wanted us to think about some racial nuances in the company. And look at the position of the camera right now. The same wide angle for Helena and Seth, but for Helena, it's on the corner side of the room. For Seth, it's right where the table is at. The camera is positioned along the same line as the table. This side of the table is totally different from this side of the table. Seth is an employee, and these people are reviewing his performance. The choice to put them on the lower part of the frame is simply to show how big this room is. And when you are in a big space like this, because of the wide angle lens, it's just you against these two people. It makes it even more uncomfortable. It makes it even more stressful. So I like that choice as well. But the point is, composition really helps you drive your story, build your plot as you tell the story visually. So be more intentional in how you frame your subjects. These nuances really make a difference. If you guys get any value from this one, let me know if you guys like this kind of breakdown. Let me know if you like this TV show actually. And I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.